Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the 90 FPS in PUBG Mobile without root. So what you'll need to know first is officially PUBG Mobile only enabled 90 FPS for certain supported devices. You cannot force enable the 90 FPS on unsupported devices without using third-party tools, which are against PUBG terms. And no root is required, but risk of ban exists. So how can you enable the 90 FPS in PUBG Mobile without a root? You will have to check if your device is eligible. It's only eligible for high-end phones like OnePlus 8 series or newer, Samsung Galaxy like the S21, S22, S23 Ultra and Plus, iPhone 13 Pro and Plus, and also some Asus ROG and gaming phones as well. So in my phone, it's not available because I do have just some Redmi phone here and I will not be able to use it or enable the 90 FPS option definitely. But for you, all you need to do is just go and open the PUBG Mobile settings and then go and head to graphics. Then you'll find under frame rate, you can look for 90 FPS option. Just go and select it, then click on apply. As simple as that, nothing to be done. The only thing that you'll need to know is you should have a high-end phone. If you don't have it, you will not be able to do it, or you'll not be able to add it into your phone. Of course, you can enable that even if your phone is not able to do it or not supported yet, but any option to do it will probably may risk your account suspension or ban. It's not legal, by the way. So that's what you'll need to know. So as the bottom line, only the official method is to do it on the settings as we said. So go to settings, graphics, and enable it. And if it's there, that means it's supported in your phone. It's not there, it's just not supported in your phone, and you have nothing to do other than changing your phone if you can. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.